Hi everyone, my name is Christy and welcome to day 896 of trying a new makeup product every day. Today I'm going to be trying out this Nature's Cartel Shimmer Lip Gloss. So this is in the shade VCR Static, which is just so funny. But this is a product that I got in my July 2020 Ipsy Glam Bag Plus box. So I'll have my unboxing video of that linked down below if you want to see all of the products I got. But I am very into lip glosses these days, so I was excited to get this. I've tried out a few Nature's Cartel products because of Ipsy, and this is the full-size product that retails for $12, and it looks very sparkly and fun. Let me go ahead and check out the applicator and do a swatch. Ooh, I like this applicator. It's kind of triangular, but then it has an opening in the center so it holds more product. So here you can see how that looks. It's also at an angle. I like this applicator a lot. I feel like I always have to smell my lip products, but you know what? No fragrance in this, and I wonder if that is because this is free from fragrance. Oh, it is free from perfumes. So what's great about the Nature's Cartel brand is that the products are non-toxic and 10 free. So it means they're free from a bunch of different words that I can't pronounce, but all bad things that you don't want in your products. This is also vegan and cruelty free. So let's see how this swatches. Ooh, so pretty. So you can see it's very reflective, sparkly, shiny. It has like rainbow looking glitter in it because of how it's kind of duochrome with purple and green. Ooh, so pretty. I think this will be such a beautiful lip topper as well. I love sparkly, shiny glosses like this as lip toppers. But I also like them alone, which is how I'm going to try it out right now. It has a jelly texture. For some reason when I applied it right away, I'm like, oh, this is more jelly than a liquidy gloss. But I do like the texture. It kind of reminds me a little bit of a petroleum jelly. And yeah, seeing this on my lips, this is definitely a good lip topper, but not a lip gloss that I personally would really wear alone because it has a lot of noticeable glitter. And you can see the effect that that has on my lips is that it really kind of washes them out and makes my lips look really pale. And it just doesn't look very flattering when I wear just an all-over glitter like this. And even though it's very glittery, I'm rubbing my lips together to see if there's any grittiness or any texture from the glitter. And there's really not because it's very small shimmer, so that's good. But it is just so pretty. I love the sparkle. I wish this had a color to it so then it would just be more wearable on its own for me. But I also don't have that many lip toppers like this, so I'm really happy to have this in my collection now. I love the texture of it. It completely hydrated my very dry lips, so this is also perfect for going on top of maybe a matte liquid lipstick that tends to be kind of drying because this will be very hydrating for my lips as well. Like I really feel like it smoothed out the appearance of my lips, made them feel very comfortable. So I think this is great. It has shine, it has shimmer, it has moisture. So it's everything I look for in a lip topper. A very quick, easy makeup review, but then again, I love these types of videos. But of course, I would love to know in the comments down below. If you have tried this out, let me know your thoughts on it. Also, let me know what your favorite lip toppers are. Do you prefer an all shiny lip gloss topper? Do you like a sparkly, maybe a duochrome? I love them all, but I think this one right here, Shine and Sparkle, is probably my personal favorite just because I always want to wear sparkles. But thank you so much for watching my video today. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe to my channel so you can see the makeup that I try every day. And I will see you tomorrow in my next video.